Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today I have another exciting pickup. Obviously all the pickups are exciting, but we're actually getting another comfort added to the collection. So we got the Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort 2s, and these are called Particle Gray. Size 12 retails for $150. Right now, resale value is there's not really a resale value. I looked on StockX, I looked on GOAT, at least at the time, and there's not a resale value because nobody's really sold one resale. These came out September 19th, 2023, so a couple weeks ago, not that long. And just like the other comforts I have, I'm trying to see if I had them out for you guys, but I don't. But I do have the Comfort 1, some Zoom Comfort 1s, those tropical twists, if you guys saw that video. And then these are the Zoom 2s, and these are Particle Gray. I have those gray and blue ones that I did a video of actually not that long ago. But I saw the I saw the Comforts, and I like these because it's a neutral color. As you guys notice, I don't really have like a set colorway I go for. I got range. I got dark colors, I got bright colors, I got neutral. You know, I try to have range, so I got all kind of colors. So anytime I see something that's different, I kind of gravitate towards it. And I like the comforts. So just to show you guys, it's kind of a neutral tones of gray, and I'm not even sure what to call this. I guess this is like a different shade of gray, and this is like a bluish, kind of like a bluish grayish looking color. Obviously don't come with any alternate laces, but we have the white here. We got the white interior with the Zoom Air. And of course, like I mentioned last time, the Zoom 2s, they tell you the dynamic architecture, the Zoom Air. So it's just trying to get fancier with the comfort of the technology and, you know, Formula 2-3 foam. This right here, you can tell how it gives. So the sole is very, very comfortable. And the last one is lightweight, breathable materials. As you can obviously tell, all this is super, super breathable, super light mesh tongue. You guys check that out. I am a fan of the comforts. So when these bad boys came in, I had to get them. So this would be pretty simple. They're already laced, so I'm gonna just throw them on the feet. And this is also, I don't know if I showed this last time, but this is just some of the stuff that it comes with. It just breaks it all down for you. And then I'm also going to show you a design feature that I like, that I love about them, that kind of differentiates them from the mids or from the retros. And I showed you in the last video with I did the other comforts, but I'm gonna just go over it again for you new watchers to the channel. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on feet, show you the design feature, and then show you what they look like on feet. Alright, we got the shoes on feet. Oh, they kind of shine in it with this lighting. They're really kind of popping with that like bright colorway. It's like a bright neutral. It's like neutral colorway, but it's on the brighter side because you have your like bright grays and white. But anyway, I'm digging them. They're super comfortable. You can definitely feel that when you step, you feel that like foam insole kind of give in and conform to the foot. So very comfortable. The design feature I was talking about, there's two things that you should know about. One, there's elastic on the inside of here. The tongue is attached to the shoe, so it's elastic. All right, keep that in mind. If you got a fat foot or a wide foot, that might be a problem. But second is they have flaps here, flaps here. So if you wanted to I like to keep these flaps open to kind of add a little bit of like zest to the style, to the look. You know, so it's kind of like, you know, those high top Air Forces, they have the strap, and you leave the strap open for like aesthetics. Same for this, you kind of leave the strap. You can still go up if you want to lace them up higher and leave the straps open, you can do that. And you got vents right here too, so they'll also help with breathability. But yeah, so I like to leave it open, add a little bit like a characteristic aspect to it. And if you want to get real fancy, you could unlace these and leave this flap open and this flap open, but I'm gonna keep those there. But let me know what you guys think, if you copped, if you're gonna pass, and what shoes you're looking forward to coming out. I'll catch you guys next time.